Hello, this is Abela David. In this video, we're going to learn how to return the top nth values in Excel and in Azure SQL Server. Let's get started. Now we have this data formatted in the Excel table. So when I head over to the portal.azure.com under my tables, I have exactly the same data. So let's see how to return the top 10 cells in Excel. Then we'll replicate the same thing in Azure SQL Server. Okay, let's start here. I'm going to use the filter function. So let's start filter. So for my array, I'm going to deploy my table name, which is transaction underscore fact TBL, comma. So for my include argument, I actually want to include this my total column. So I need to provide the table name first, which is transaction underscore fact TBL. Then open square bracket, and I want my total. Then close that up, and I want to check whether it is equal to or greater than, deploy the large function. So for my large function, I need to provide the array, which is the first argument. Again, we want to provide the table name and open another square bracket. We want the total column, then close that up and comma. So for the k argument of the large function, I want the 10, which is the top 10. Then close my large formula, close my filter, and control enter. So we can see that we have the top 10 values. Okay, this is count of 10. These are the values. Okay, all right, it makes sense. So let's replicate the same thing in the Azure SQL Server. Okay, over here in the portal.azure.com, I have a very simple select all statement here. So let's write that query to give us the top 10 values. So let's start. Select what I want to select. I want to select the top 10 total, then from, then open parentheses. So I need to deploy a subquery. So for my subquery, I'm going to say select distinct top 10 total from transaction table. So we want to order by total, and then we want this to be in descending order. Then close my subquery. Then let's continue. So I'm going to say result order by total. Then we want this to be ascending order. So this is just the simple query. Okay, so when I grab it together and click on run, then we can see amazing. So we can see 40,194. Then we can see the large one, which is the 54,851. So it's exactly the same result we achieve in Excel, but you discover that this is actually not sorted. So let's just come to where we have the main formula. Then I'm going to deploy solve. So I'm going to sort by comma. So for my sort index, I'm going to sort by, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I'm going to put in 6 as my sort index, and I want 1, which is ascending. Close my sort, control enter. Amazing, 40,194. Then the largest value is 54,851. Let's go back here. We have 40,194, and the largest value is 54,851. Exactly, it correlates. So this is essentially how we return the top nth values in Excel and in the Azure SQL Server. So I believe you've learned something new. If you do and you enjoy this video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thank you and bye for now.